What's up, guys? It is a beautiful Monday morning, and I will be working on my GR Corolla a little bit today. So I got some window visors that I want to install on here. I've had them on the blue Corolla Hatchback, and I love the way they look. So that's the parts right there, and these are, oh gosh, my hair. Sorry, guys. These are OEM. So my plan for this build is going to be as OEM as I can take it, because from the factory they did a great job, and I wanted to keep it true to its car. All my other cars, like you've seen before, the Honda Civic Si and the Corolla Hatchback, aftermarket parts, they're nice, but nothing beats OEM. I mean, these are Toyota engineers we're talking about, so they know what they're doing. So yeah, let's get straight to it. I am sad that my GoPro died. Hopefully by the time I'm done recording this on my phone, my GoPro is charged, and I'll get you guys a POV. I'll put you on top of my head here, and then we'll go straight into it. All right, guys, time to do the install. I got my parts right here. So this is my OEM plus goodness. Hopefully, I didn't even check to open if this or nothing was broken. So, and these are already out of stock as soon as I ordered them. So I hope everything is okay in here. Right, everything looks to be okay. Instructions look like they're in Japanese. I'm gonna open my hatch just so I can have a workspace here. All right, nicely wrapped. I'm trying to show you guys the OEM part of it. Yeah, I think it will show on this one. Yes, right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me get up to the mirror so I can show you. Can you guys see that just fine? Okay, anyways, look at that. Toyota. A lot of people always buy the well visors, the aftermarket stuff, yada 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 yada. I don't know if anyone actually runs OEM Toyota. Maybe a couple, but I haven't seen anything online about it or anyone post about it, whoever has the E210 platform. But yeah, first let's do some prep work though. I don't know how this is gonna get on, because when I had the Corolla Hatchback, it already came with it. Okay, so I see that it hooks. I don't know what that means, but I think I got an idea of what it is. Okay, I'm gonna need a heat gun it basically. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start with the left side, or right side, sorry. I got my heat gun right there. Should be easy enough to install, but I mean, who knows, man? Might mess it up, you know? That's what I'm definitely not trying to do. Let's do this. Alcohol wipe across. Don't know how far it goes, but let's just go all the way. I don't remember how far it went, but I think it went up to here. That looks pretty solid right there, right? This looks like it's good right there. Oh, this might be easier. This might be a little easier than I think it will. Yeah, it hooks on just like that. Wow. Yeah, gotta give it to Toyota. They know what they're doing. So I think I just start peeling away at it, I think. Okay. Sorry guys if I'm talking to myself a lot. I just want to make sure that I'm doing it right. Here he goes.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, I don't know if that's supposed to be like that, actually. Actually, hold on. Did I fuck up already? Oh my god. I'm already this deep in. Let's just do this. There you go. There you go. That's such a easier. I'm such an idiot. All right, well, hopefully if you guys are installing well visors and are thinking about getting the Toyota OEM ones, this is it. All right. How does this one work now? There you go. Ugh, guys, what a mess. Oh, what a mess, guys. I messed up, but it's okay. We got it. Ay, ay, ay. That was horrible. Never doing that again. Now I know. All right. OEM visor in. And it said to, I think I'm just gonna use like a, yeah, I'm gonna use one of these because I don't want to mess up my plastics. All right. Oh shit. All right, and then now the long one. Make sure I don't scratch it. Perfect. So I will take this off first and I'll prep it. So this comes off, and then we'll do this side. I think it was easier to go on this side here, just because there's nothing. It's on the thin side of things. Oh fuck. All right, well. That's that. We're gonna take it off from this side then. Oh, yeah, yeah. All right. We'll go here. We're gonna line her up. We're gonna line her up just like that. lights again. Oh yeah. Right, I'm gonna take that. We're gonna scoop it down here. All right, everything's looking good. All right, time to start pasting. Move it just a little bit. And she's on. She's on, ladies and gentlemen. She is on. All right, there it is. And then we'll finalize it so I don't get my grimy fingers all over it. And that is the install. Let's make sure all my windows are shut. And we are done. Looking good, looking good. All right, subtle difference, but looks good.